Crash Course on Italian Economy, an examination of Italy's economic history and current economic status, including its place in the global economy. Italy has a rich economic history that dates back to the Roman Empire, but the modern Italian economy began to take shape in the late 19th century. Today, Italy is the 8th largest economy in the world and a member of the G7 group of industrialized nations. In this crash course, we will examine Italy's economic history, its current economic status, and its place in the global economy. Economic history. Italy's economy has undergone significant changes over the centuries. During the Roman Empire, Italy was a major center of trade and commerce, and the Italian city-states of Venice, Genoa, and Florence played important roles in the development of capitalism during the Middle Ages. In the 19th century, Italy underwent the process of unification, which led to the creation of a single national market and the growth of industry. In the early 20th century, Italy experienced a period of economic growth and industrialization known as the economic miracle. During this time, Italy's economy grew at an average rate of 5.3% per year, and the country became a major producer of textiles, steel, and other industrial goods. However, the economic miracle came to an end in the 1970s, and Italy experienced a period of economic stagnation and high inflation in the following decades. In recent years, Italy's economy has struggled to recover from the global financial crisis of 2008 and the Eurozone debt crisis of 2010 to 2012. Despite these challenges, Italy remains an important player in the global economy. Current economic status. Italy's economy is the 8th largest in the world, with a GDP of approximately $2 trillion. The country is a member of the European Union and the Eurozone, and its currency is the euro. Italy's economy is diverse and includes a range of industries, such as tourism, fashion, automotive, and food and wine production. Italy has a high level of public debt, which stands at around 160% of GDP. This is one of the highest levels of debt in the world, and it has contributed to concerns about the country's economic stability. Italy also has a high level of youth unemployment, which is around 31%, and this has been a major concern for policymakers in recent years. Despite these challenges, Italy remains an important player in the global economy. The country is home to many world-renowned brands and companies, such as Ferrari, Gucci, and Fiat. Italy is also a major exporter of goods and services, particularly in the areas of fashion, food and wine, and tourism. Italy's place in the global economy. Italy is a member of the G7 group of industrialized nations and has a significant role in the global economy. The country is a major trading partner of the European Union and the United States, and it has close economic ties with China and other emerging markets. Italy's economy is diverse and includes a range of industries, such as tourism, fashion, automotive, and food and wine production. The country is known for its high-quality products and luxury brands, and it is a major producer of wine, pasta, and other food products. Despite its economic challenges, Italy remains an important player in the global economy, and it is likely to continue to be so in the years to come. Interesting stories and examples. Italy has a rich economic history, and there are many interesting stories and examples that illustrate the country's role in the global economy. One example is the story of Enzo Ferrari, the founder of the famous Ferrari car company. Ferrari began his career as a racing driver and mechanic, and he went on to found the Ferrari company in 1947. Today, Ferrari is one of the most iconic and successful car brands in the world, and its cars are coveted by collectors and enthusiasts alike. Another interesting story is the rise of Italian fashion. Italy has long been known for its fashion industry, and the country is home to many world-renowned brands, such as Prada, Armani, and Versace. Italian fashion has become synonymous with luxury and quality, and many people around the world aspire to own Italian-made clothing and accessories. In the food industry, Italy is known for its pasta and wine. Italian pasta is made from high-quality durum wheat and is known for its distinctive shape and texture. Italian wine is also famous around the world, with regions such as Tuscany and Piedmont producing some of the best-known varieties. Top 12 Italian economy. 1. Tourism. Italy is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world, and tourism is a major contributor to the country's economy. The country is home to many famous landmarks and attractions, such as the Colosseum, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and the Vatican City. 2. Fashion. Italy is a major producer of luxury fashion goods, and Italian fashion brands are known for their quality and style. Brands such as Gucci, Prada, and Armani are recognized around the world. 3. Automotive. Italy is home to several major automotive brands, including Fiat, Ferrari, and Lamborghini. Italian cars are known for their style and performance. 4. Food and wine. Italy is famous for its food and wine, with dishes such as pasta, pizza, and risotto, and wines such as Chianti and Barolo being recognized around the world. 5. Chemicals. Italy is a major producer of chemicals and pharmaceuticals, with companies such as Eni and Novartis having a significant presence in the country. 6. Machinery. Italy is a leading producer of machinery and equipment, particularly in the areas of textiles, footwear, and leather goods. 7. Energy. Italy has a significant presence in the energy sector, with companies such as Eni and Enel being major players in the global energy market. 8. Construction. Italy has a strong construction industry, with companies such as Cellini Impregilo and Astaldi involved in major infrastructure projects around the world. 9. Aerospace. Italy has a significant presence in the aerospace industry, with companies such as Leonardo and Avio producing components for aircraft and space vehicles. 10. Banking. Italy has a large and sophisticated banking sector, with banks such as UniCredit and Intesa Sanpaolo being major players in the European financial markets. 11. Information technology. Italy has a growing IT industry, with companies such as Engineering and Reply involved in software development and IT consulting. 12. Insurance. Italy has a large insurance industry, with companies such as Generali and Allianz being major players in the global insurance market. Summarize. Italy's economic history is long and varied, with the country playing an important role in the development of capitalism and commerce throughout the ages. Today, Italy is a major player in the global economy, with a diverse range of industries that includes tourism, fashion, automotive, and food and wine production. Despite its economic challenges, Italy remains an important trading partner of the European Union and the United States and has close economic ties with emerging markets such as China. Italian-made products are known for their quality and luxury, and the country's brands and companies are recognized around the world. In Italy's past, a great empire rose. With trade and commerce, its influence flows. From Venice, Genoa, and Florence's might. Capitalism grew, a new dawn of light. Unification came, a single market formed. Industries grew, the country transformed. The economic miracle, a time of growth. Italy's economy, the world's eyes both. Challenges came, with inflation and recession, Italy's economy had to begin. But with hard work and dedication, Italy rose again to its position. Tourism, fashion, and food. Industries that put Italy in a good mood. From the Colosseum to the Leaning Tower, visitors come in a never-ending shower. Italian-made goods, a mark of quality. From cars to wine, it's a reality. With names like Ferrari and Chianti, Italy's products are always trendy. Chemicals, machinery, and aerospace. Industries that Italy doesn't fail to showcase. With companies like Eni and Leonardo, Italy's economy continues to grow. Banking, and insurance. Industries that offer great assurance. With names like UniCredit and Generali, Italy's economy remains a great ally. In Italy's past and present, its economy has been quite pleasant. From challenges to success stories, Italy's economy remains in its glories. So let us celebrate Italy's economy. Its history and present, a great story. A nation that continues to strive. Italy's economy, an everlasting drive. ****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid = 7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.